Alright guys, welcome to my video. Now if you've been looking for ways to make money online, then you are in the right place. In today's video, you will discover the best way to make money online if you're living in Nigeria or any part of the world. Alright, because what I'm going to be showing you here is actually applicable anywhere in the world. Now one of the beautiful things about the internet is that anybody can actually go into business from the comfort of his home. All right, the only thing that you need is an internet connection and you're good to go. Okay, and also what that does for you is help you, free you from the 9-to-5 thing and give you all the privileges and all the freedom you've always wanted to have as a person. All right, now don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload videos like this. And oftentimes I upload videos like this that help you to grow your affiliate marketing online business. All right, and then if you're thinking about making not less than $2,000 every month working from the comfort of your home, don't forget to check out my crash course. It's a free crash course and the link is going to be below this video. And what this crash course is going to do for you is hold you by the hand and show you how to win with affiliate marketing online business. So at the end of this video, go and click the link below this video, check out my crash course and go find out some more about affiliate marketing online business. If you actually want to win with this business method, go and check out my crash course. All right, now having said that, let's jump straight to the video of the day. All right guys, welcome to my video. Now if you're in Nigeria and you're looking at ways to make money online, this video is the right one for you. All right, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make passive income if you are in Nigeria. All right, now when it comes to making money online, there are different strategies. Now this is my channel. My name is Maz White. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I create content that help you to grow doing affiliate marketing online business, and I upload videos here consistently helping you to grow. All right, so when it comes to making money online, all right, there are different business models. There are different business models when it comes to making money online. All right, for example, you can actually do crypto. You can do crypto, but mind you, it's going to cost you money. All right, so if you don't have money, you can actually do cryptocurrency. All right, another way you can also make money online is through app development. Okay, creating apps around what you love, around your skill, around your niche. You can actually create apps. All right, and then you don't need to know how to do coding or programming. You can actually pay somebody out there on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to create apps for you around what you love to do or your passion. All right, that's another way to make money online, and you can actually sell these apps and make money. Okay, a quick one again to make money online is through freelancing. In freelancing, you are actually selling services. You are actually selling services. Maybe you know how to develop website, or you know how to code, or you know how to write copy, or you're a data analyst. Anything, you can actually sell your skill on places like Fiverr or Upwork or Micro Workers and make money doing freelancing. All right, and this is very, very competitive. Okay, the money, it doesn't really work so fast. Okay, and then sometimes it can be discouraging. When you're not getting services because the space is very, very competitive. Okay, another way again that you can make money online is through drop shipping or doing e-commerce. All right, you're selling product online, shipping product from China, creating your online store and having people buy from you. All right, and this one also involve money. All right, you're going to know how to run it with your money, and sometimes it doesn't really work out like that. Okay, another way that you can also make money is through blogging. In blogging, you're writing, creating article, you have your website, set up your website and write around your passion. Create content around your passion like this lady is doing right now, and make money online by leaving links in your blogs. All right, and have people click on those links and go buy whatever thing it is that you are promoting. Okay, these are several ways that you can make money online. Okay, another way that you can also make money online is through ebook business. Okay, creating ebooks and then selling them online. All right, this is another way to make money online. Now I'm giving you an assignment here to take your time to research on all this, how to create ebooks and where to sell them. There are different platforms there that you can go and list your ebook and sell. But I'm trying to show you a more excellent way if you are in Nigeria. All right, I would always recommend affiliate marketing. I tell you, affiliate marketing is about the best way for you to earn money online. And what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply you going is simply recommending other people's product and services on the internet, and each time someone goes and click on your affiliate link and go purchase whatever thing you are selling, you make what you call affiliate commission. And the beautiful thing is this: every business that is done on the internet today has what we call an affiliate program. All right, every business that is done on the internet has what we call affiliate program. Now through affiliate programs, affiliates are given links, all right, are assigned to promote product on that particular platforms and make commission by promoting those product from different websites. So affiliate marketing is about the best way that you can actually make money online in Nigeria. And one of the best websites when it comes to affiliate marketing is this one called expertnaire.com. Now recently I've been making money on Expertnaire. Let me show you. Okay, if I show you my dashboard, you can see I've been making money on Expertnaire. Like recently I've made about 37,000 naira promoting product on Expertnaire. All right, now Expertnaire is simply a digital marketplace where vendors and affiliates meet. Now vendors are those ones are folks that create content like educational content, entertainment content, and have them listed on this particular network. For example, here if you look down here, these are all products listed on this platform. This one has to do with IELT program, all right, which is these are one of the exams that you must take if you want to relocate to places like Canada or overseas. This is a product around portfolio fix. All right, this is a product about copywriting. This is a product about WhatsApp marketing. This is YouTube profit blueprint. These are products on Expertnaire. Expertnaire is simply a digital marketplace where vendors and affiliates meet. The vendors create product here, list them here. The affiliate come pick this product, which ranges from weight loss, travel, copywriting, content creation, spirituality, relationship, whatever thing. You can actually find product on this platform that has to do with all of these topics, and you can pick them and begin to promote them online and make money. All right. So the first step, what you have to do is come here and register on this platform. I think it costs about $10 or let's say 10,000 naira to register on this platform. All right, it's a yearly thing. Once you've registered, it covers you for 1 year. So you come here, create your account by registering as an affiliate or as a vendor, okay, and then go promote products on this platform using different platforms. All right, what I do is that I promote affiliate Expertnaire product on my YouTube channel. I promote it on my Quora space. All right, for example, if you look at here, this is my Quora space. I just did a huge article on Expertnaire. If you look at here, and I have links that connect, that if I click on them, if I click on my link here, it takes me these are all affiliate links. All right, these are all affiliate links. For example, if I click on this link, it's going to open up to a landing page. All right, it's going to open up to a landing page, and if you click on here, if someone clicks on here and go register or buy what I'm promoting, I make my affiliate commission. Like I've showed you here, you can see I've been earning money over time. All right, but I'm going to recommend, if you're just starting off, if you are a beginner and I recommend you go for this particular product. Get your hand on this particular product called the 72 IG implementation program. Okay, this is one of the best product on the internet that will show you how to win with affiliate marketing online business. Look at it here. It's in the marketplace. You go to the marketplace. All right, click on the marketplace. This is the marketplace right now. All right, these are where all the product on Xpartner are listed. Now look at this one. If you're promoting this one, this Google Ad Traffic Academy, this particular academy teach you how to run Google Ad, and each time you promote it and go sell it, somebody click on your affiliate link. This is the affiliate link here. All right, this is the affiliate link. Each time somebody click on this affiliate link and go purchase this product, you make about 50% commission. All right, this one is 50% commission. Loads of products here that you can promote. If you're somebody who is into weight loss, or you're into weight loss, you're into travel, you're into copywriting or relocating to Canada, there are a lot of products here that you can actually pick based on your passion and go promote on the internet using your website, using your WhatsApp, using different platforms, your Facebook, to promote offers from this platform and make money. Okay, but I'm going to be recommending, if you're starting off, like I said earlier, if this is your first time with affiliate marketing, get this product for yourself called the 72 IG WhatsApp income. I will leave the link below this video. I tell you, when I started off with affiliate marketing, I bought a lot of courses trying to learn affiliate marketing, trying to decode affiliate marketing, and most of those courses that I bought were just whitewashed courses until I came across this 72 IG WhatsApp income. This was an eye opener for me. This was the key into affiliate marketing for me. All right, so get your hand on these products called 72 IG. I think it costs about 60,000 naira. Get your hand on it. This is the only investment you need to make to start making money online. I bet you this is the only investment that you need to make to start making money online. And this product was created by the guru himself, who has been into online entrepreneurship for years, which is Tony Omotosho. All right, get your hand on this product. I will leave the link below this video. Get your hand, get this course, okay, so that you can start winning with affiliate marketing online business. So if you're getting value from this video, don't forget to leave me a like, don't forget to leave a comment, and then if you have questions, ask me questions and I'm going to be prompt to reply you. So folks, if you're in Nigeria and you're trying to create passive income for yourself on the internet, this is it for you. Go and create your account on Xpartner right now. Get your hand on this course called 72 IG and learn how you can actually run an online business from the comfort of your home and begin to make money like I just showed you today. Now, Xpartner is one of the platforms I'm promoting on the internet. I have a whole lot of them that I'm promoting. ClickBank, Warrior Plus. I'm promoting offers from these platforms, and I tell you folks, I've been making a kill online. All right, I've been making money online. So if you're in Nigeria and you're looking at ways to make money online, go to Xpartner and start from here. Get the 72 IG WhatsApp blueprint. This is a full course on affiliate marketing, giving you everything that you need to start off. All right, to start off, go and check out this platform and just make cool money from the comfort of your home. Thank you for being with me till the end of this video, and God bless you.